If you have not waited in the long lines outside the popular Mimi Cheng's for their handcrafted family dumplings, you are missing out. I am missing out.
We don't know what to tell you.
Okay, from a braised beef dumpling to fresh jumbo lump crab rangoons. I have to say it slowly for sensual emphasis. And a chicken and waffle combo. There is no shortage of mouth-watering creations that they're serving up.
I'm literally.
I know, I heard it. I heard it. It happened to me too.
After the success of their first two restaurants, sisters Hannah and Marian have recently opened their third location, and they're joining us this morning to celebrate. Buenos dias, women.
Morning.
Oh my gosh.
Thanks for having us here.
Thank you for coming. Seriously.
This is so utterly fantastic. Tell us a little bit about your history of making dumplings in your family. Where did this tradition come from?
Well, Hannah, go ahead first.
All right.
So nice.
We've been making dumplings since we were born, basically.
Since you were zygotes.
Yeah, zygotes, exactly. So our mom is an amazing cook. So she taught us how to cook all this stuff from scratch.
God.
When they moved from New York, we were missing the dumplings, so we really had to learn how to make them ourselves.
Gosh, fantastic.
I mean,
do we dare ask who makes them better?
Good question. Sibling rivalry.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, who makes the better dumpling?
We make them in our different
That's
styles.
a nice diplomatic answer right there. Look at these young two. I can't even deal. What is that like being in business with your sister?
Yeah.
It's the best.
It's great. We trust each other innately, and then we know each other's nuances, so there's no beating around the bush with each other.
You're very direct.
Yeah, I feel like if there is like a tiff of sorts, it's like, you know, it's your sister, you know you're gonna always be together, so it's like you're able to get over it quickly and get back to business.
That's right.
I never thought about that until now.
Are you thinking of getting into business with your sister?
Absolutely not an intention.
You
I don't know
should.
what that business would be.
If you've never had one of your dumplings, you're truly missing out. And I think just regular, they're delicious. But what I love what you've done to really elevate things is you have these really uniquely flavored dumplings that you wouldn't think of putting in a dumpling. Talk to us about that.
Well, it's really a blank canvas for different flavors, and right now for May, we are doing a Lucali calzone dumpling.
Oh, that's
so good.
Lots of
my
melty
God.
cheese. I mean, who doesn't love cheese? We have fresh buffalo mozzarella, ricotta, Parmesan, and ham. So it's Marco Iacono's off-menu ham topping. So we have it all stuffed in a dumpling, and you guys can try some very soon.
Okay, without any further ado, do you mind teaching us how to make a dumpling?
Yes, we would love to.
Absolutely. We have our setup right here.
Okay.
We have our signature Mimi Cheng organic chicken and
Stop it.
zucchini filling
I'm
that
getting
we
my
grew up
sleeves
on.
chicken and zucchini. Yeah, we look at you rolling up.
I think we all have long sleeves on.
let's-
All right, let's roll our
let's get
sleeves.
messy.
We did not call each other, by the way, with all the blue.
I know, look at how perfectly matched.
I love it.
Everybody's perfectly matched.
Okay,
we'll do a photo after.
Is there a secret to making a dumpling?
There is many secrets, which we'll teach you today.
Oh, you're gonna share.
They're going to share the secret.
Not all the secrets, but just enough.
Just enough.
the basic ones.
You can't give
Perfect.
out the family secrets.
No, you
not all of
can't.
them.
Okay, what's step one?
Okay, so step one is grab a fresh wrapper.
Okay.
Okay, we're all
Pass
gonna
one
grab
and take one and pass it down.
Here. Oh, pass you one.
Okay, then you're going
Did I take two? I took two.
dip
Look at me, I'm already messing up.
You're good.
You're hungry.
I'm making two at once.
You're gonna dip your finger in the water to moisten the edges all around.
Just around. What is this wrapper made of?
It's made of primarily wheat flour.
Wheat flour.
So it's really just wheat flour and water and a little salt. Yeah.
Okay.
Wheat flour, water.
And we're putting it just around
The edges.
the edges. Okay.
Exactly.
And you
Next
want to
step.
put too much water
gonna
just
say.
to seal it.
Don't douse
closed.
it.
Yeah,
Okay.
don't douse it.
I
Just
think
a
that's
little
good.
bit.
I
That's
think mine's just enough shine.
You did a good
Yeah.
job.
Okay, so next up, grab about a tablespoon of filling. Sometimes I overstep my filling because I'm starving, but the key is to just get enough so you can make sure that you seal the dumpling completely through and keep all the flavors inside.
Okay, so enough so that you're making like a little pouch.
Exactly.
I'm trying not to overdo it. Even
that looks great.
That's a good amount.
I'm doing
Yeah.
it.
Like that?
Perfect.
And you're
That's a
putting
good
it in
amount.
the center of the wrapper.
All right.
Okay.
In the center.
It's always
smells
better to start off with a little less, too.
What are these guts? What is this? What is this? What do we
This
have?
is chicken and zucchini.
They're not going to tell us.
I thought it was chicken and zucchini.
It's chicken and zucchini
And special.
And then some special sauce.
Yeah, and
Okay.
some secret ingredients.
By the way, just a brief intermission here. They do have a class coming up. You guys have a class coming
That's
up,
right.
correct?
We do.
When is
Yeah.
that?
The class is, the first one is Monday, May 15th, just in time for Mother's Day gifting.
Yep.
Yes.
So we're getting a jump start.
Yeah,
We're getting
exactly.
we're getting a private lesson.
All right, we'll get the information from them in a minute.
Okay, we have
Exactly.
the edges. We've got the this.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you're going to bring your fingers on the front flap in the center.
Okay.
And then bring it to meet the back half. Like hold it like a taco.
Yeah, we call it a
snap.
dumpling taco.
Two
Oh my
wonderful
gosh.
things.
And because we've wet it just enough, it
Exactly.
sticks. And then?
And then you're going to pinch it in the middle, and then this is the back side.
Okay.
You're going to use your other hand
Yeah,
to sandwich it between your index and middle
Yeah.
fingers to make pleats.
Oh, make a
And
pleat.
bring it towards the middle. And the key is you can really just make as many pleats or as little pleats as you
Yeah.
want, but just get the whole dumpling completely closed.
But we like to do about 6. So
6 pleats.
you do it all on the same side, and then it comes out looking like a crescent shape.
I messed up.
I messed up too.
You know
I'm
what?
like
I-
watching her do it.
I
I'm still trying to
immediately,
figure out how.
when in doubt, I turn to my Latino roots and I'm making an empanada.
Yes.
It's the same thing.
Amazing.
It's the same thing.
Yes.
That's what we always say.
Look at
Every
how beautiful
culture
that
has
is.
dumplings.
I see one pleat in mine.
Oh, that looks great.
No, I made an empanada.
I got like half.
I love empanadas.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is so much. And how many of these do you make a day, do you think?
Like hundreds.
Dumplings for days. Hundreds,
Dumplings.
more than
Dumplings.
hundreds.
Do you
Yeah.
have,
Like
do you have a
thousands.
favorite flavor?
So this is our mom's signature. This is her namesake. So this is we're
this is
partial
it.
to
And
This
she's
this
is
one.
where it
She's
starts.
Mimi, right?
Yeah.
This is where it
This
starts.
is the Mimi.
This
All
is
right.
fantastic.
You know what? Not terrible for my first one. Okay, so be sure to follow them. Be sure to follow Mimi Cheng's and all their goodness on Instagram for updates at Mimi Cheng's. They have an event coming up Monday the 15th.
Perfect Mother's
How do we
Day.
get involved in this?
Yep.
Instagram? All the
Instagram,
info?
our website.
mimichengs.com.
Okay.
Perfect. Thank you.
Ladies,
Oh
fantastic.
my gosh, this is so good.
I'm not going
We'll
to
put
eat
this
this
over
one.
here.
Let's
I'm gonna-
put them here.
Let's fast forward for you trying the dumplings.
Yes.
So, Hen,